Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making orange juice. Guys. I'm so excited to show you how to make real orange juice, not just water from the orange. No, where you can add everything like the orange peel, the white part and the yellow part, or the orange part, as the case may be, depending on the color of the orange you have, and get a very healthy drink that is good for you. 100% vitamin C. Like if you have a glass of this undiluted, it's possible for you to get like up to 14% of your daily value of vitamin C. Can you even beat that? Do you believe me? Yes, it is. It's possible for you to get it. So let's get down to business. Let's start this business of making real orange juice, my people. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making orange juice. Like guys, when I say orange juice, I'm not talking about the water from the orange, like the juice that we usually take or we usually like press out. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about making real orange juice from all the parts of an orange. Or we're going to make orange juice with this yellow bag or green bag, if it's green orange you have, and the white part, and also the juice. Like we are going to make juice with everything. Usually throw away the back of oranges or the back of lemons or the back of all our citrus fruits. Of course they're not very interesting to eat, except you find other creative ways of using them, like baking with them or something, or cooking something with them, or making like jam or something else with them. Peel or the rind of an orange contains as much vitamin C as the juice itself. You can imagine making juice that also contains the rind of an orange. That means you are getting extra vitamin C. So if you are someone who is thinking of getting or topping up your vitamin C levels or your vitamin C intake, you may not have to go far. So beautiful people, I have my oranges here thoroughly washed and scrubbed with baking soda. You could also go ahead to use salt to really make sure you scrub this, especially if you bought non-organic oranges. Please go ahead and scrub them very well. Right now I'm going to go ahead to prepare them for the juicer. You guys know that I have this new juicer and I'm like crazily in love with it. I got this from Amazon. It's Amazon Chef. The link will be in the description box down below. It is very good. I've been using it for a while and I love it. Like, this is not my first juicer. Always had juicers that we would get for like 30 euros or so, but this one like basically has swept us off our feet. So we are juicing every day these days and it's so amazing. So right now I'm going to go ahead to prepare this, and then we continue chatting and talking from there. Let's go. For most of my oranges, I'm just going to like cut off the head because it's really hard here, right? And then I'm going to cut off here. I'm also going to go ahead to cut off here. Let me just keep it like this so you guys can see it, because I do not have strength to move my camera around. My juicer does not take like the whole orange, but I like it because it's a slow juicer. Slow juicers tend to bring out more of the ingredients, more nutrients, because it doesn't like go really fast and kind of kill all the nutrients with hotness. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but this is a slow juicer and I love it. So for some of the oranges we are going to use today, I'm going to leave them like this to be able to juice also the orange oil, which is found at the back of this yellow one, and also the other ingredients and more vitamin C from the white part. So guys, we are leaving some like this, and then we are also going to remove some of it. Why we're removing some of it is because we do not want it to be we do not want it to be bitter. Remember that the intention is to leave most of the back of this white part. Especially the yellow part, yes, contains also lots of vitamin C and our almighty orange oil, so you want to also put in some of it. Like guys, if we can like this every day, if we can drink like this every day and leave the packet sugared orange juice and juices like that are found in the stores, at least for once in a while. I'm not saying you're not going to get those ones, so you're not going to drink them when you visit people or something, but look, I'm telling you, if you can like form the habit of taking natural juice, natural stuff every day, you are going to find an improvement in your skin. You're going to have an improvement in your general well-being. You're going to notice a lot of changes that you're going to wow yourself. Try this. It doesn't cost much, it doesn't take much from us. It's just that most of the time we don't want to do this because we think it's a lot of work and all that, but guess what, it's not. This is an amazing part to follow if you can do this for yourself, if you can do this for your family. This is a juice I'm making for my family and I know they are going to enjoy it. This is not my first time making it, so don't think, oh, are they going to like it? They love it. And you will notice that you are drinking something that has more quality, and you're also getting like more vitamin C that I've already explained, and is definitely good for your health. Okay, don't take your health for granted. Like, these oranges have been sitting here. This is an orange, but it has been sitting here for weeks. Look at how crooked it looks. I'm not going to use this one at all. I'm just going to use the orange inside because it's hard now. And a lot of us buy fruits and like leave them like this for weeks, and then the next thing we are throwing them out. Just get a juicer, get a blender, and get to work. It doesn't take anything. It won't take you 5 minutes to prepare this. Honestly, forget about the video, forget about like how long it's taking me to talk and to like to like get this video together, guys. If it's for you at home, you know, you just do everything sharply, right? Sharp. I'm going to just show you. I don't know if you have ever seen orange juice as concentrated as this. So this is what you're taking, and this is everything. Like this, you have orange oil. If you can really see very well, you can see the darker part of the juice on top that has settled on top is the orange oil. So it has settled on top. So when you take this juice, you are taking everything. Lots of vitamin C. Look at this cup. You can see some of the oil that's settled here. You can see. Can you see that? So this is orange oil. Very good, very essential. So this is what it looks like. You see, it has lots of fiber and it's very thick. Like, it's very thick. So you can dilute this. Let's dilute. This time, guys, this is what we're buying from the supermarket. Diluted, everything. That's even if you get the real one, right? And then this is the real one that you can make at home and dilute it anyhow you like, and add extra sweeteners if you like. This can regenerate your cells, like get a lot of things off that are happening in there that you do not even know about. I would not advise using a blender for this, but if it's just blender that you have, please go ahead and do it. Like, you definitely have no excuse. Click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell, yeah, right there, so that you'll be notified when next I upload another video. You know what to do, right? Just get this going, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.